What's good, my people? What's good? What's good? What's good? I hope y'all are doing great. I hope y'all are doing great. Welcome to the New York session. Yeah, we haven't done this in a while. Haven't done a New York session in a while. Always been London, but we here. We are here. We are here. Quick before we actually get to the chat. I just want to go through the economic calendar. We had a busy day today, honestly. We had a hectic day, especially on London session. Had a lot of euro news, as you can see there. A lot of them came out negative. Yeah, if you check the Euro pair, had some bearish movement this London session, and also we had some positives coming from the GBP, also that. And yeah, and then currently we are waiting on the Canadian news at the that the BOC rate statement, all that. And also we got the PMI on us, so it's gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be very interesting. So yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. Man, just do the giveaway once the 500 will come later. Crazy. Crazy stuff. But anyway, we're getting close, right? We're getting close. 100 and something left. But anyway, yeah, gonna have a very hectic New York too. It's gonna be very interesting. And those trades that I took today, yeah, that was actually, let me just go through that trade, the trade that I actually went through. I actually took yesterday gold. Reason was being London Asia low swept, and then tapped into that. I'll use that 1 hour, also a 30 minute bullish order block, and then I just wanted to look for something on the 1 minute, and I think ended up getting on the 1 minute. I think it was like a 1 minute OTE setup. It was a 1 minute OTE. Somebody please teach me how to avoid doing all this, avoid getting lost like this. Please teach me how to avoid getting lost. Davani, what's up, man? What's up? You haven't been to the stream in a while. The Dapper, man, what's up? How's you doing, man? So yeah, yesterday's entry using that 30-minute order block, bullish order block, then went in for the 1 minute entry, made a high, swing low, so I measured those at the OTE setup, and then as soon as we tapped in, I actually took a buy, and I could have just targeted my the usuals, which is the Asia high, but this is all I needed for the day. That's all I needed for the day. That's actually a gold trade that I actually took yesterday. Actually a gold trade. So yeah, currently we're bullish. I don't want to lie, I am on a buy. Got the H4, got this little indicator here that shows me the H4 chart. Interesting, you know, the interesting indicator. See there's it. Shit, it's totally free, this one. High time frame candle overlay power of 3. You can definitely find that it's free. This one is free. Yeah. So yeah, yes, bro. Job rotation shift, too much Hey man, get it, I get it, no problem, no stress, no stress. Alright, did you hear? I'm glad you hear. So yeah, currently I am on a buy currently, and the reason why I bought was because of the 1 hour for H4 bullish order block on gold. I didn't want to sell gold because we're kind of in a small bullish trend right now, you know, and to actually take a sell right here was actually too risky. So I was looking at buys, and then yeah, I took a buy right here on this bullish order block. As soon as it's there, let me minute, and then as soon as we tapped in there, then I actually went for a buy, and then actually my entry. Then for entry, actually used the 1 minute. This is where I actually went in. So it went down a little bit, almost got triggered out. But I think my SL is a little bit lower than this. A little bit lower, way lower than. But yeah, almost got triggered out, and then running in profits. Is that TP almost halfway to TPs? Just gonna watch and see what actually happened. Missed your videos and being online, man. Whenever you get the time, man, job can be straining. So that's that on gold. So actually check your EURUSD, GBP USD. I had a buy set up here in the morning, but I didn't want to trade it because we had like news. I don't want to get caught up in there. We had a lot of news. I don't want to take trade, but created this BC here. The market structure there was above that market structure shift. See, but we broke below. Total soup that low, small, and then went up, and then again came back to reach, and yeah, kept tanking up. I was actually expecting a buy on here, honestly, but a part of me just, you know, didn't want to trade. And the euro is even worse. It's the weaker one in the case, because we had some negative news during the we had a lot of negative news during the during the London. See that? Negative results that we got on the euro by was a low. So yeah, that's what we have, but we're not gonna be focused on this. Not really looking at EURUSD or GBP. I'm looking at NAS. As you can see there, on the DXY, went to take out Asia low, reverse up to take out Asia high. Currently we're just falling, going for the previous day low. As you can see, the H4, it is bearish. It's giving us some bearish candlesticks there, so that's very interesting. It's always, I find it fascinating. It's actually nice looking at, especially if you're intraday trading, intra-session trading like this. Always make sure that you look at your H4. So instead of just manually switching through, because I don't have multiple screens, I don't have 7 billion screens on me, which is the plan. You know, I want to have at least 4, even 5, even 6. Of course, we'll need that, where I can have all these pairs, different time frames open them. But at the meantime, this, as you can see on the H4, got this 3 sets of bearish candlesticks, and yeah, it's probably gonna be bearish for a while. The next one, liquidity, I was actually looking at the daily, right? I was looking at the daily, and I was actually hoping that price goes into the consequent encroachment of that CB, but we just tapped into it, just tapped the fair value gap, and then we just dropped. But we're currently in a bullish order block, so price might actually just reverse off of that, and then I can see we're in the min threshold of it currently, so prices might actually just reverse from the mean threshold and then give us more higher prices, probably to the consequent encroachment of that daily CB. So we're just gonna see how that actually, or we might actually drop below, close below, and then maybe use that as a breaker block. That would actually be interesting. But either way, yeah, I'm still expecting more lower prices. But I think we might actually get more higher prices, because I don't see the reason why the dollar will be going down unless we're going for that sell side liquidity there. But we already swept 20 days low, 60 days low, and we haven't swept the 20 days high, and the 60 days high, it's also still standing there. So I don't know, I don't really know what to expect. Today is the last, not the last week, month. We have it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Those are the last trading days for this month, so we're just gonna see how that actually plays out and how we close for the month. I'm actually interested on how we're gonna close for the month on the DXY, so I'm just gonna be waiting for that. GU buys till Monday highs. Just buy any BC. Crazy. Just buy any BC. Which BC, my guy? Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly chart? What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Like, from the daily perspective, it's looking for buy. Got a market sector shift C. Got a market sector C on a daily. That's tick plus. And then H4. I just want to see closure above this bearish order block. Once we close above, we're gonna use it as a breaker block to give us more higher price. Tick again, and going on the 1 hour. We also have that order block that, well, there isn't really much that I'm gonna look at on the H1. Yeah, interesting stuff. So yeah, buy. You buy it. I was actually looking at a buy from all the way, like I just analyzed now. I'll make sure. Yeah, I was actually looking at a buy, the GU, but part of me didn't wanna tap into all of that. But I think KB bought it. Not sure if he's even here. KB actually took a buy. I was analyzing this in the morning, saw it, and then I think they're taking a buy here. I hope he's still surviving. Hope the SL wasn't too tight for the stepped out. Saw it here on the BC, and as you can see, went a little bit lower than on the setup. A buy position. There's that. There is that. Big dogs. Organas. I was also tempted to actually take a buy, but I knew that NAS is not in the right market condition for me to even be taking trades right now. I don't want to mix myself with NAS at all, and also we've been bearish, so the only trade that would make sense would be a sell. So that's the only reason why I didn't actually want to take any trade on NAS, because yeah, I didn't see anything clean to take. Only if we actually as you can see, we're below midnight open. We're below midnight open, so selling is another thing. I would want price, if price only went up into that midnight open, or maybe we just went back to this new day opening gap, right? If price actually went back to that opening gap, actually went into that opening gap, in threshold of that, and also taking out the Asia high, I'd have considered taking some sells. I've considered taking some sells somewhere. So, but we didn't get that. Did not get that at all. So I didn't see any point of taking any trades. A buy looked dangerous, even though we were in new week opening gap. The buy still look dangerous on the H4. As you can see, the H4 we have just been bearish for the last how many candlesticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So taking a buy is even more dangerous, and sells were in discount for a sell, so nothing actually made sense. So that's why I actually stayed away from us during London session. Ooh, how are you? How are you today? How are you today? So right now there isn't really nothing interesting on NAS, to be honest. Fact that we took out sell side liquidity, I'm gonna need to see at least the H4. The H4 is about to close in the next 13 minutes, so if we take out this previous H4 high, then I'll maybe feel comfortable to actually take a buy. But before that, I don't trust anything. I want to see some, some price action, some market structure shifts. We just swept liquidity, and yeah, unless price is just gonna keep tanking. Oh, got this auto block here. Let me let me hide all of this. As you can see, we have this bullish order block here. Prices closed inside, so well, it closed, oh, it's a gap there, so yeah, but we might just wick below and then keep giving us higher prices. But hey man, I don't know how to feel about NAS right now. We still got this weekly order block down there, got this, so that might be the next one. Liquidity, if you don't reverse from this BC here that we in, which I actually don't trust. My eyes are actually on this order block. So I have a feeling that we might close inside this BC, but the body, the wicks, we might wick a little bit lower and then close inside the BC if we're actually gonna get higher prices. So if we're gonna some reversals anyway here, we'd want to see price close inside this BC but wick into this order block to test it. And yeah, Aaron waiting for a buy retracement. Yeah, I get that. But as I can see, we're just tanking down right now. But we'll see equity open. What it has for us. Also, what the news actually give us. See the S&P, same thing. Actually, we actually have a SMT divergent. I just noticed that now. While ES hasn't taken this low, NAS has taken that low, so we got that SMT divergent there. So what does that tell you guys? What does that tell you? NQ already took out the low, then ES hasn't taken the low. So what does that actually tell you guys? The chat, type in what you think highs is telling you between the two sisters. What is the market telling you about the two? NQ or 10.5. Oh, what's that? What is that? Is it like a H4? Like, we got this market structure, also got this market on a daily, we got this market structure, BC just laying there. But do you think price is gonna actually go down there? Get some reversals to the upside. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about NQ? What do you guys think about NQ? What do you guys think about the NQ? feel like here it's gonna tank lower, still gonna go lower. If you're trying to counter buys here, trust me, you're gonna burn. I wouldn't try to counter buys right now. Right now in this price, any counter buys it's not good for you. Like switch to the 4 hour and you'll see that yourself. Counter buys is not good for you. You're gonna go with the momentum, definitely look for sells. Most definitely look for sells. Most definitely. Then gold is still doing, oh no, gold is still playing hard. Then looking at the daily, I mean looking at the H4 also, been bullish. A lot of soldiers on there. Actually take care, defend. So that auto blogger, this auto blogger, this auto block, so get lower prices, we need to see prices break below and use them as breaker blocks. There's a lot of soldiers defending us down there, and yeah, I have a feeling, well, it's a little bit different, so stick here. Just gonna stick here, honestly. Yeah, as you can see, currently we're in a structure sheet down the H4 CB there. Tested the consequent encroachment, but I want to see prices actually close above it and use it as an inversion to actually give us more higher prices. That's what I'm actually looking for, hoping to get on the gold. We swept that low there. What else do you want? What else do you want? More higher prices? One more higher gold. One higher price. We might get that staircase movement to the upside, but whatever it is, I'm expecting more higher. DXY going for H4 BC. Oh yeah, it is. This is the daily. It's a week. What the hell I just highlighted? It's a daily order block. Then there's a bearish order block. We closed above. Now it's a breaker block. The question is, what are we gonna do with that? What is price gonna do with that? Are we gonna also hit that min threshold of that breaker block? Then let's switch. No, 1 hour, just look. Actually get to that min threshold, would have swept all these liquidities, all those here that failed to swept that, and then yeah, and I'm also using the H4. You see that's a little bit below, that's discount of the auto block. That will be rebalancing the whole thing, so very interesting. So prices might just jump into that and then maybe reject prices, but we'll see. Even now, maybe the news might actually help us do this quicker than expected. But the way prices are just falling right before the news. What time is the news? What time is the news? Around 9:15, right? I mean, 9:45. 9:45. So that's like in the next something, I don't know. So yeah, there is that. But what are you guys looking at this session? What are you guys looking at this? I don't have anything concrete. Holds. Easy right now. All this going. We haven't taken out Asia low. We haven't taken out London low. No. Which is what we've been doing. Well, yesterday we created London low as the low of the day. Yesterday's London low was the low of the day. We haven't swept NYAM low, PM session low, Asia low, London 2. So that's gonna be very interesting, especially before the news. Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. Bro, can you please make video for trading Sasa back testing on weekends? Looking for gold buy side. Yeah, I know guys, I promised you guys to actually do like a gold back testing, which I have been what's that word? When you're lazy and you delay shit. What's that word? I forgot that word. It just escaped my mind. I've been procrastinating. That's the word. I've been procrastinating to actually just start the gold back testing. But I'll do that. I'll do that for you guys. I'll do that for you guys. Don't you worry about it. Don't you worry about it. I'm planning to do a video. Planning to do a mini vlog, and also I will do a back testing video too. I haven't posted in a while, honestly. I've been just doing live streams. I haven't posted anything in months, probably 5 months now, 6. I don't know. It'll help a lot. Yeah, man, you're welcome. I will, like I said, whenever I start the gold, once I've probably done like 3 months worth of data, going to 6, I will share the data. Excuse me. I will share the data with you guys, and then you'll be able to access it. You'll definitely be able to access it from the live stream site here. I'll just put it here. It'll be on sheet 2. That'll be on sheet 2. This is where I will be doing the. Let me rename it. Gold. What the hell are you doing? Gold back test. Let's just write the whole thing. Back test. This one will be live stream. Yeah, but yeah, I'll just post everything here. I'll actually do all the results right fucking here, so you don't have to ask for more permission or that. So yeah, how do you use new day opening gaps? I actually don't use new day opening gaps. New day opening gaps, I just take them as just volume imbalances, but I don't really go deep into that. But what I also use the new week opening gaps. Take it as the same way I'll take a fair value gap. I'll take an auto block. I take it the same way, you know. I take it the same way. But that they're not like, you know, top priority into my trading, to my system. New week opening gaps. Oh, okay. Yeah. My mic is not that loud, is it? I hope it's not that loud. But as I was saying, I treat them as like any inefficiency, but I don't really go deep into that. I never really take trades just based on new week opening gaps, but it's always like you know, always like, you know, yeah, it supports whatever I'll be trading. For example, NAS, the only reason why I would actually want to take a buy right there is because we're in a new week opening gap. This is a new week opening gap. There's a closure there on Friday, open on Sunday. So This is the only reason why I'd want to look for a buy here. There's the only reason why I'd want to look for a buy around there, but it's not on my A plus trade category. Yeah, it's not on my A plus trade category. I have heard it works like support and resistance. Yes. That's how I use it. Helps. That's how I use it. So, Davan, I don't know how I missed that. Trading is easy if you're profitable. Well, done jobs need to put more effort in trading. First of all, trading is not easy. Don't let anybody lie to you. It is not. Honestly, you know, that might be my experience. Someone might say that. They might be saying that because they're making money, so it's much nicer. But someone who has dealt with the ups and downs of trading, they know that it's not actually easy, but you have to make it. How do I put it? It's not easy, you just get used to it. Yeah, it's not easy, you just get used to it. So if somebody says trading is easy, they're lying to you. They probably don't know how to trade. But you just get used to it. Just get used to trading. You just know what to do, right? Just know what to do. And what happens when you know what to do? Everything seems effortless, you know? And at the end of the day, it'll feel like it's easy. But it wasn't easy to get there, was it? So overall, it's not easy. It is not easy. It is not easy. It's like someone saying, getting a PhD of whatever. Easy, it's easy. Getting a PhD, doctor, whatever, blah, 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 it's easy. You know it's cap. Like, you know it's cap. It wasn't easy. You had to go through a lot of shit to get there. But now that you have it, life might be easy. Everything might be, you know, simple to do. For you to do things now, it's much easier than back then. So that's how I look at it. Nas playing its games. Equity open in the next 27 minutes. 26. So yeah. Honestly, I don't know. Back. Is like already swept that sell side there. I'm gonna see how it actually price after that. H4 closure in the next. Wait a minute. Which pair was the foreclosure? What was I looking at? It was like in 50. I've been lied to. I'm looking at a different chart. Like I've been. Oh, it was. Oh yeah, it was the GBP and is that actually H4 closure just now. It's very interesting. On the euro, the breaker block or whatever, this auto block, just use it really a buy there. Oh, looks good. So is the G closed above that auto block, so if price action, I can retest that bullish breaker block. All right, bullish breaker block, yeah, and you know, more higher price, I get your stuff like that, so gonna see how actually the price works out its way. This one, yeah, the first giveaway, we once we reach 400, right, I'd give away this indicator, session highs and low. That's the first giveaway. Yeah, some of you might have it, but the first giveaway, 100, give away this indicator. That'll be the first giveaway. I'm not gatekeeping. I'm just giving away. Yeah, let's give away 100 subs. I'll definitely give this to everyone. What is this? I am stronger one in this case, but do I really wanna indulge in YM? No, thank you. Got that there. I'd only consider that if you get some sort of microstructure shift up there. Like I know we did have a excuse me, microstructure here, shift here, closure above that microstructure shift. We have a CB here, but I want a high probability microstructure shift, which is closing above with, like, you know, drawing candlesticks one by one is not that easy. I was gonna do that, thought about it. Hell nah. But yeah, this seems like a better pair to actually better instrument to trade, especially if you're waiting for buyers. But yeah, I do that. I'm playing a new playlist, and I hope I don't get blocked and this time. I hope not. I really hope not. I have a feeling it's coming. Red strikes are coming. Well, not strikes, claim. Red claims coming. If I may suggest, is it possible you look for a random Saturday and let's do the back testing together? That if anyone has questions, my clarity. I can pick a random one because normally I take weekends off, man. Like I literally don't look at sometimes unless if I want to back test, which I haven't done that in a while, but I literally just take my eyes off market. But surely, definitely can be this week. The following one, or maybe one of the streams, just do a back testing. Or maybe we'll just go through a London session, back tests. Right, less busy. Let's see. Maybe Friday London, something like that. Friday London. Just go in for like an hour, you know, just doing the back testing, and then yeah. That part will see you at. See. Where can buy gold, bro? Probably 8 now. Let's connect. Bye. 30 minutes. Why am I choosing that favorite? Yep. TE. Right there. So if price can actually go into that discount OTE, that's where you would want to buy. Actually go there. Actually want to buy there. Buy there. Yes, I want 15-minute premium in NAS. I want to sell it. Where's your premium? Taking. Yeah. Like premium, obviously it's about 50 steps into this order block here. I mean this CB there, that's also you know, good enough to sell, but as far as trade here, yeah, I'm good. That is actually but a sell is the best way. I have a feeling equity open might push it up if that market structure 15 market structure. One closer to the OT. Right off. Right out. Nah. Your voice is lagging. It probably happens when I speak a little bit lower because it doesn't have a filter on my mic. So whenever I speak lower, it doesn't pick it up. So kind of like just cracks. But I hope it's fine now. I hope it's fine. I'll just try as much to speak a little bit louder or just keep my mic closer to me. I like whispering for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah. So there's that. You can actually get that CB there. That would actually be nice. I might actually consider taking that trade to sell if price can actually get there. I can see gold actually reversing, going into that OT. Oh, I might be just getting lower prices. Who's already taken out Asia high, London high, went up all the way there. I don't even know what the hell is there. Just fully rebalancing the gigantic BC. And oh yeah, rebalanced H4 BC. Prices might actually reject, give us more lower prices. I'd do that. Balance that CB there, so why not? Let's see how that actually goes. I don't even know why I use this chart. But yeah. BTC man really tripping on our OB. Oh yeah, like took off. OB, were you looking at ones down here? Actually buy. Another one, another block to buy. The prices balanced. Yeah. I don't know which we're actually waiting for. Which OB were you waiting for? OB. Did you just say that? Talking about this. Guessing about this. I think you're talking about that one. Guess we didn't get that. Get that. Yeah. Let's choose this. And it's also an inversion. Stop. Let's see how there's a open. Excuse. Oh, what's up with gold finally going for that? It's actually scary, honestly. Reason why I say, yeah, it's a OT setup. It's a OT setup. What makes it scary is that got Asia high, London high, and two of this hasn't been swept. So I have a feeling that we're gonna sweep some sort of liquidity. Outside liquidity go up unless you're just using the external range, and I might just reverse from the OTE and then give us more higher price. But honestly, buy at a 15 minute, but again, a little bit rubbish. Gonna be interesting. Gonna set like what's this? Alert. Then yeah, monitor gold finally into the OTE. How quick we actually jumped into that OTE. Look at how we in the H4. This is actually looking good for a buy, honestly. Maybe something like this. Anyway, below that BC. But there's news in a few minutes. Yeah, there's news in a few. All of this is dangerous. Even doesn't say. Straight for the stream. Straight for the
unique form of music that gives complete freedom of expression.
OTE setup,
It's not
no.
built with
Tap
continual
shit,
form of
tap
output
shit.
that you do continually, but it's just something that
But guys, be
sort of
careful. There's news coming
it just deals with anybody
the
can
next
understand
few
that.
minutes.
But my definition of house music
Literally. So,
is what comes from the soul.
on the comment.
Is what comes from the soul. Is what comes from the
Gotta
soul.
have balls of steel.
Is what comes from the soul. Like if you want to say freedom, I do believe in freedom. Freedom. Yeah, something like that.
News in few minutes, probably avoid it. Yeah, do that. Do that, my guy. Do that. That my tip. My trade 1:2. Simple 1:2. Hold until there, but how I actually adjusted. Simple 1:2. If we can actually get that before the news. If not, it is what it is. Not it is what it is. But if we can actually get this, that would be picture. And I'm guessing was not in the. Almost a year, man. But I just. Die with that. Hey, are you in a trade? Are you in the trade? Are you in the trade, KB? Just saying that with others. To risk some few bucks. Just don't wanna lie, that's a good motivation. Oh, equity open. What do we have? Nothing. Let's wait some. Alright. Volatility. If equity open can actually take us up there, and then the news probably gonna drop. Did you take it? Yes, I did. I did. Yes, I did. I thought I was. Buy on gold. Oh. And yeah, this. I'd actually like to see. Yes, gold. Yeah, man. Where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been? You here? Where have you been? Are you sure you're here? This is the trade. This is the the trade. As soon as we tapped into that 15-minute BC, there, which is the OTE, we can just delete, which is the OTE of the swing low, swing high. That's why I took. Wait. Shit. Let's update that. Buy though. Didn't take gold. A trade though. Anybody here on a trade beside gold? Goodness, goodness. I actually hope I actually got here before the news. I was gonna risk it. I was gonna risk taking a sell there, but the way we're just tanking right now is yes, it says. I just want to see how they used. What do you got on E? Getting a lot of SMTs on 5 minutes. Getting some. That's a good sign, right? That's a good sign. That's a good sign. A lot of SMTs already taken out this low on a 5 minute. Yes. Hasn't taken it out. Waiting to take out that low. Oh. Wait for that. Look at how it's just tanking right now. How is just the dollar index. We're still swimming into that. Whatever that is. Hit the mid threshold. Interesting. See. So Nas is playing games, so we're just gonna focus on gold. Nas is not really giving us, so we just monitor it as the news. Just monitor it. Not even slightly higher. That's the trade that I'm on hold. See? Yeah, you're all the way up there, and then yeah. I haven't logged. I could just log profit, but YOLO. These are gonna kick it. Can you guys even hear me? The music was too loud. I even forgot about it. Damn, you really snapped it. Hey man, why waste time? You ain't gotta waste time on setups, on good setups that you wait for, that actually ticks all the boxes. Don't need big time. Gotta go in it. Gotta. What the hell am I seeing? See how that. Hope the news doesn't fuck it up. I have a feeling. Yeah, Nas is just going lower. It might be going. Kieran was actually saying his drawn liquidity is this. This is Kieran's price. Non liquidity is there, so we might be going there. Might actually be going there. So we'll just see how that actually works. That actually gold, yeah. Oh, we're actually pushing higher. Right before the new, right before the. What I hate about streaming New York session, a lot of people are streaming right now, man. Like a lot of people are streaming. Even some people that I would normally tune into and check. But I only left tune. I'll wait for the news. Ah, man, if this hits before my TP, I'm good. I'm done. Like, monitor how the news goes. I mean, a lot of people are live streaming right now, but I only check like a few people's live stream, like just a few, and by few, probably by like two people that I normally just tune in. I can literally just tune in and watch the stream. And one is Tanya. I'm not sure if you guys know her. Tanya trades. Yeah, I like probably live right now. Tanya trades and Dan Bow. Only people that I actually just truly just chill and just watch the stream. Rest, I don't know. Took another trade on that BC. Yes, my guy. That's what I've been saying. That when you said, when you came in and say we die, we die. I was literally executing as you were typing that. I was literally executing as you were typing that. So how, bro? How? Come on, bro. How? That's crazy. So TP hit. Yeah. Right before news. That's good. Right for the news. I could not be. Wait. Yeah, TP. And what's crazy about this account is like I'm literally just $10 away from getting funded. $9. Yeah, $9 getting funded. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy? So first dub of the London session. There's two people. Why are you guys running away from the stream? Damn. I just run away from the stream. Only two people watching now. Oh, suck. Oh, told me to come stream New York, and now in New York we are here. Y'all are running away. Oh, suck. Oh, suck, really. I wanna take news in. Let's come here. We'll take together. Monitor the trade. Don't die alone. Oh, don't die. Not nice out there. Not nice. It's not nice out there. So might as well just come here and take L's with us. You'll feel much better. What's much better? Taking L's alone or with the boys? Boy. Ladies, of course. There's a boy. I'm done for the today. Oh, uh, that's it. How many pips? How many pips? 93. Good, we good. So now we wait for the news. Let's see if we were gonna burn or what. Let's see if we were gonna. Oh, that leave me alone. Putting them, good boys, ladies. Oh, got ladies here. Got chic. You guys still here? Sorry for assuming. Yeah. I got a few seconds to carnage or not. Yeah. Well, let me just focus on gold. Few minutes to carnage. What are we gonna get? Yep. Get that. See now. Said DXY is falling. Not really. Just lower price. Yeah, this news ain't that. Let's see USD CAD. Had a lot of bad news. Look at that. Would you look at that? Excuse me. Nothing really much happening right now. I like how we just our TP right before, just in case this feels like fucking giant and decides to actually take off and get lower prices. That'd be actually good, but much what we had. Old. Some mind games there. see. Ah. Hmm. Ow. Uh, so yeah, that's that. News is boring when you are not in. I know. As soon as you go into trade, everything goes easy. Everything just crazy. Gold finally do. Probably gonna go for the target that. Why did I adjust that? Why did I adjust that? Probably gonna go for that TP that I initially had. Wait, we actually hit that. We actually hit the TP that I initially had. We hit the TP that I initially had, but like that I added, I just reduced it. Like that I took an hit. Let's see. Nas ain't really doing that much. But meantime, get that waddle game going. Now, word of the day, guys, word of the day. About the word of the while edit. I'll be back. I'm here. I'm back. Trader saying money. Right. At least money gave us a clue. No, wasn't totally useless. So we know that the second letter of the word is so what's the next try? Second letter O, and then we know that the word has an E in it. I feel like now it might be a good gold might be actually giving us lower prices once that's to fall. We might get like a market structure shift. Problem the 1 minute there, and then the dropping as is going lower and lower. So finally took out that draw in liquidity that Kiran was actually looking at. Obviously he's not here, so yeah. But the sell was gonna cleaner on that OT. This trader wanted it. Trader said you want premium 150. I will just invest into tapped into that CB, and then we got low price. If I was trading NAS, I hope you got into sales. Guys, horse. That's good try, man. Give it a go. Nice. Close. It's close. So now we just gotta replace the gray letters. Gotta replace the gray letters. It's gotta replace the gray letters. Force KB force. Oh, try 2. Because we haven't tried F, we haven't tried C. So okay. Oh, almost with the dub for this session. Almost with the dub. So we just gotta replace C. Just gotta replace C, literally. Gotta replace. Literally. Literal. Gotta replace C. What can it be? Do you think it's a S? It can be S because it's already gray. Forge. We haven't tried G. Might be Forge. is the only letter that makes sense. For see, that also is a good idea. Which one do we try? The D. I'll try this. Doesn't work. I'll try that. Fucking hell. Okay, I should have went with yours. What a waste. What a waste. What a waste. It's not even the what is happening. Hey guys, what's the word? Is the word? Phase. Wait, can this what? Maybe with the rescue. I feel like we could have got this at 3. All this is your fault. Crazy. I feel like we could have got this. Yeah, but here. Yeah, at least. Hey, we got the dub. We got the dub. So let's keep. Yeah. That's pretty much what we have for today, guys. I go. But nice. I don't expect any trades today. I am done for the day. Really. Nothing is really looking good. Going to the daily. Got that H4. Got that daily BC there. Price has just tapped into it. I'm not sure what's really happening for. But yeah, that's pretty much that's pretty much what's happening. Yeah. Are you guys in any trades right now? Who at what? Are you guys currently at right now? Are you guys? What are you guys currently looking? It seems like
Estar al por ti porque yo ya sabía lo que iba. Querer comprarnos un terreno.
Are you guys still here? Make sure to try to back test. Oh, just tape. Do you have any other new? It's only CAD. What do you guys think? Oh, bro, not too much on. Alright, man. Guys, there isn't really much happening right now. Boring. So for now. Yeah. And yeah, I will get some more. Catch up with you guys tomorrow. Bye. And the purse.
Maybe I'm just pissed off without. Maybe my life's just off without. Maybe you're worth it all to me.